Hi, I'm Joan Yurkovich, your board certified life coach, and I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you some things that I've been doing that are fun and exciting and new. First of all, I love talking with my callers on my radio show, but I have a new venue for you to do that, and that is called VYou. VYOU, which is a social media video site where you can write in your questions and I'll answer them over the video. I just started this weekend and had so much fun because I posed 3 questions for myself to answer since I don't have any questions yet. One was, I went to see Magic Mike, the movie, and I said to my question was, would you date a stripper? And then I talked about Ann Curry and her leaving the NBC Today show and what happens if you lose your job unexpectedly. And then the third question I had was, what advice would you have for Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes? So that's a lot of fun, so check out my site at VYou with Joan Yurkovich. And let me tell you now about the callers that I have for this week's show. Anna's 23 years old, and she's having a very difficult time breaking up with her boyfriend of 4 months. She's a very caring person. She knows what it's like to be on the other end of a breakup, and what she was trying to tell me was, I've been his first girlfriend, and he is so into me, and I'm having such a hard time doing this. She has such a heart, and you're going to want to listen to what Anna had to say about her breakup. And then you want to hear from Kristen, who's a young mother with a 6-month-old. She's single, the dad is nowhere in the picture, no one's helping her financially. She has so many struggles on her plate. There's a backstory to Kristen that wasn't brought up on the radio show, but I have to tell you, this young woman and the strength and character that she has were so impressive to me. One thing I really want you to listen to the podcast or catch the show on 910 KINA. One thing I want you to listen to is her testimonial of the time that she went to church, and we've all been there where we're at the very bottom that we don't know where to go. We don't know where to turn. She found herself sitting in the pew at church praying to God for help, and you have to hear her story on that. Kristen, the young mother with a 6-month-old. So thanks for watching my show and following the Joan Yurkovich Show through iTunes, podcasts. I love to see my new Facebook followers and people on Twitter, and now we've got new VYou, VYOU, and follow me there as well. Thanks for following the Joan Yurkovich Show.